upon ZD. ZD is equals to A by Y. A by 2 is equals to A by 2 bracket Y by 1 plus Y by 2 is equals to BD upon 2 bracket D upon 4 plus D upon 4 bracket complete is equals to BD divided by 2 into 2D divided by 4 is equals to 2D plus BD square upon 8. 2 with 8 will cancel is equals to BD square upon 4. Then 300 into 500 divided by 4. Answer is 37,500. ZP is equals to ZP answer is 37.5 into 10 to the power 3. ZD is equals to E by Y is equals to BD cube into 12 D divided by 2. BD cube into 2 divided by 12 into D. ZD is equals to BD square upon 6 is equals to 300 into 500 upon 6 is equals to answer is 25,000. ZD is equals to 25 into 10 to the power 3. SP is equals to ZP divided by ZD. ZP value is 37.5 into 10 to the power 3 upon ZD value is 25 into 10 to the power 3. SP is equals to 1.5.